Hello everyone, welcome with a new question in geometry, which is a tricky question. Here in this figure we have a square, and from the midpoint of each side we draw line segments and all of them met at a point. So we'll divide the square into 4 areas. We have 3 of them and we want to find the 4th one. But we have to use a method in only 1 minute to find this area. So let's start and we'll see how to find this area. The idea of the solution based on using the properties of the median of the triangle. Here we will match the point inside, or the point of intersection of the line segments, with each vertex of the square. In each triangle, the line segment from this point to this point represent a median. From properties of median of a triangle, that the median divide the triangle into 2 parts, equal in area. Here in this triangle, this is median. Here in this triangle, this is median, median, and median. So each triangle is divided into 2 parts which are equal in area. So I'll give each part a letter as example. This part A and this one A, because they are equal in area. This one B and this one B, equal in area. This one C, this one C, equal in area, and the last one D and D. We will use sample relations between these areas to find the area of the last part. Here, the area of this part and the area of this part equals 16 square centimeter. So we'll form equation A plus D equal 16. This is equation 1. The same, D plus C equal 20. Equation 2. C plus B equal 32. And the area we want to find it equal A plus B. This is equation 4. From the first 3 equations, we'll solve the system of equations to find the value of A and B. From the first one and the second one, if we divided the 2 equations, or we can use another method, we subtract the 2 equations, equation 2 minus equation 1. So it will be like this. D cancelled with D, so C minus A equal 4. So we'll find C with respect of A, it's 4 plus A. Put this relation in equation 3. So 4 plus A plus B equal 32. Simple step, move 4 to the other side. So A plus B equal 32 minus 4 equal 28 square centimeter. So the area of this part equal 28 square centimeter.